It is. It's on.
Oh, you see it?
It's
Wow.
on, yeah.
I saw it.
And
No, that's normally
jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Hey guys, welcome to our docuseries Music is Medicine.
In this series, we're hoping to learn different ways we can help teach our students with learning differences.
We have 4 people lined up to be interviewed, and all of them have experience with students with learning differences, and we're really looking forward to talking with them.
We're hoping that through the series, we can help better ourselves as teachers and also share this information with you guys.
I'm Ms.Amelia. I'm one of the professors at Oclef School. I've been teaching for almost a year now, which is insane. And I have about 15 students, and all of them learn very, very differently. I've noticed that over time, and a few of my students have learning differences, and it's taught me to really adapt. And that's been a journey that I've been experiencing alongside my coworkers, reaching out to parents, and just trying to figure out how I can better teach them and just be better as a teacher overall, be more patient and willing to be flexible with them. And that's kind of why we're doing this docuseries. We're very interested in how these kids are functioning and, honestly what's happening in their brains and how they perceive the world, and in turn how they perceive music. Me and Ms.Therese are just really excited to interview these 4 people who all have a range of experience. That way we can come to a conclusion and be able to help you guys too, who might come across people with learning differences in your life and want to better yourself as a person and teacher.
Hello, my name is Ms.Therese. Sorry, Ms.Amelia is this, I probably shouldn't. I am one of the professors here at the Oclef School. I'm a part of the Music is Medicine program, as is Ms. Amelia, and we work with varying levels of students. They learn music in their own way. They have a different way of processing the music, and sometimes we have to get really creative. So one of those ways is colors. So we like to use colors, we like to play games with them, we like to change up the way sheet music even looks, right? Because if you think about it, notation is meant to convey something, and if the person it's being conveyed to doesn't understand it, it doesn't get to them. So we have to find a way to make that connection happen. It's really important for me, and I'm sure for most of you in the audience, to start to learn a little bit more about this. And so I'm super excited to do this series just because I think it's going to be an amazing experience for me to kind of see what these other people who are in super close contact with these kids, what they've learned from their own experience and what I can take from that, and hopefully along the way you guys can learn something too. And Ms. Amelia is clapping in the background, it's great.